Hi my little stars, what's up? As you can tell today we are feeling extra and extravagant and the false lashes are on and we've got gold and bronze and yeah. So if you want to know how I achieve this eye look then please keep on watching. But I really hope you enjoy it and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell and enjoy the video. Okay, so I know I look a little bit mad right now, one eye done, lashed up, everything, the other eye completely boring. So I've tried to do this with, I mean it's a mix of high-end and drugstore products, but I've tried to keep the amount of products limited so there's like a balance, if that makes any sense. I've got my, you know, little gold and black shoes on, I got a top that says Boss Babe. I was like, today is a day for glitter and falsies. The first step we're going to do is we're going to take the Charlotte Tilbury, it could be any sort of goldy base. We're going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerise in the shade Champagne. It's beautiful. I'm on a fairly flat brush and we're just going to get some of that on the brush, my matte frame, and just put that all over the eye, and we're going to try and bring it up as far as possible. I don't know about you guys, but I'm literally just getting all dressed up to go sit in the living room. How are you all coping with lockdown anyway? I hope you're all looking after yourselves, whether you're at uni, whether you're at school, whether you're working from home. If you're one of our brilliant, you know, nurses, doctors, anything like that, that you're still doing that, thank you so much. And just make sure you all take care of yourselves, you know, for coronavirus and for your brains, because you only have one, so you need to look after it. So what we're going to do is we're going to use two palettes today, one drugstore, one not high-end but a bit more expensive. They're both palettes, and well, the colours from both palettes, ones you can get in a range of, you don't necessarily have to have these to get the desired effect, but I'll stop rambling now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with MORPHE Artistry palette, and we're going to start with some of the cooler brown tones, and what we're going to do is we're going to go in with this brush here. This is a Spectrum B06 brush. It's just sort of a fluffy blending brush. I'm going to go in with this third shade here, this sort of light grey, and we're just going to pop this on the outer corner. And we're not going to blend it out too much. We're literally just going to tap this in and down to the lower lash line. Okay. Once you're happy with just sort of a general colour, it's just sort of a starting place really. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to go in with the same brush and we're going to go with this second to last shade here. This is a warmer brown. I don't believe they have the names of them. If they do, I apologise, but I'm not quite sure. And we're going to start in the inner corner and we're going to blend out the whole of the crease. And we're going to bring it quite high up. As you can see, we've really brought that up to emphasise the colours. So really, it doesn't have to be too tidy. We are going to use other colours. As I say, these two are just sort of base colours for the more peachy tones we add in a minute. I'm going to come back to the Morphe Artistry palette in a minute, but once you've got your eye nice and blended, you're really, you know, you're happy with that, we're going to go in with a slightly smaller packing brush, kind of blending. This is the BH Cosmetics Weekend Vibes number 9 brush. It's one of my favourite brushes, and we're going to go in with a more peachy orangey tone. We're going to go in with Just Peachy on the Beauty Bay Brights palette. Yeah, it's 42 colour palette, and we're just gonna go in with this and we're gonna put it all over where we've just put that second warmer brown colour. So we're gonna go in the corner here and up as well. We don't want to bring this one out as much. We're just adding dimension and building up to then having a peachier tone. I don't have much of an eye crease, which is a bit strange. Like when I do my makeup, I don't quite have a crease, so if you have the same kind of thing, I'm not quite sure the name of that for the shape of the eye, if you have the same kind of thing, this look is brilliant because it doesn't really require too much like in-depth crease work. Take this fluffy browning brush. This is a Tarte one, it hasn't got a number on, but it's just my favourite, absolute favourite brush ever. I'm going to go in with the next one across, and it's Tangerine Dream, because it is more orange. Now don't be alarmed by the orange because it blends in really, really well with these brown tones. We're going to want to take this into the crease, but also a little bit higher as well, so where we've put the highest sort of brown, make sure we really get that gorgeous peachy browny colour that really pulls the eye together. We don't want any harsh lines, we just want it smooth, nice and glamorous. Because we want to feel glamorous. We're literally in lockdown and wearing my most expensive earrings I own, putting on a full glam makeup to go and watch TV. Probably going to go watch Criminal Minds or something. What are you guys currently binging? I need programs to watch. Everyone always tells me programs to watch, but I'm all for it stuff. So let me know your favourite programs to watch, and I promise I will try and be better and watch more recommended stuff. I'm like one of those couch potatoes that I just sit down and I'll just binge watch like just one program non-stop. It drives my partner insane, I think, making him constantly watch the same program, but he loves me anyway. So what we're going to do is, with that, we've now blended that out. I've already highlighted my inner corner and my brow bone when I did my face. So if you can do that before or after, I just did it first because I wanted to just do my face before my eyes. But we're going to go back in with this smaller blending brush, this number 9 BH Cosmetics brush. I'm going to go in with this brown here called Preppy Pecan, and we're just going to tap some of that onto the brush. These colours are very pigmented, so you really don't need a lot. And we're going to darken up that outer corner. We're not going to bring it in too much, as you can see, because we have this sort of ombre glitter effect. Sorry, I'm not picking my nose, promise. But we do want it enough to add some depth. So I'm just going to go in here and just build this up slowly. Now, if you wanted to, you could add a little bit of black if you did want the look to be even darker, say even more sort of for nighttime. I personally decided not to do that this time because I thought I want to leave it sort of autumn, peachy, that kind of thing. But obviously you're more than welcome if you want to. It's good to sort of go back and forth. Once you've added that dark brown, pop a little bit more of this peachy tone here, the Tangerine Dream, just over the top, just to really bring out, enhance those hues again. Because we don't want it all to just be brown. We're going to go back in with our Morphe Artistry palette. Again, it doesn't have to be this one, just any gold shimmer will work. If you wanted less intense, you could do something like for these Beauty Bay Living My Best Light glitter eye gels. This is the shade Precious Topaz, and that would work just as well. It wouldn't be as intense, it would be more of a glitter rather than a glow and a shine. But it would work just as well. What we're going to do is we're going to go in with this shade here. I know it looks like a dark greeny gold, but it's not. It's a bright gold. I'm going to take some of that on my finger. Okay, I've changed my mind. I realised I got the wrong one. We're going to go in with this gold here. Now it looks quite like a dark gold, but we're just going to go in with this one here. Some on our finger, and I'm going to tap that on the centre of the eye. Centre towards the middle. You want to bring it up quite high. As you can see, I'm bringing that up to the crease where we've put that on. But once you've added that, as you can see, I've left a tiny bit of the inner corner there, because what we're going to do is I'm going to go in with the second lightest shade on my finger, apply that to the inner corner of my eye and blend it in slightly with that gold. So we're just going to tap that on here, just really, so we've got an ombre look. That is the bulk of the eye done. What we're going to do is just going to do the lash line now. We're going to take this brush, my Tarte brush, but just any sort of shorter brush, and I'm going to go in first with Just Peachy, this shade here. Tap some of that on and just run that under the lash line all the way along. Really blending that out, and then I'm going to go in with some of the Tangerine Dream next to it, this one here, and just focus that on the centre but blend that out at the same time. So I'll just ensure it's all blended, but I really want a lot of that focused in the middle there. And then finally I'm going to go in with some of Preppy Pecan, again that brown, and start on the outer corner and just deepen that up. Just make sure that's blended out. There we go, that is the eyeshadow done. As I said, it's fairly quick, fairly simple. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop some winged liner on. So just bear with me a moment while I put my tape on and attempt to make it match. For my eyeliner, I'm using my usual Rimmel London Exaggerate liquid eyeliner. You can use any that you prefer. I like this one because it's got a fine tip. And we're going to line all the way along. We want to bring it out quite a bit. We do want an exaggerate wing. Not too thick, but we do want it to come out. I think that's a pretty good job. But I have decided to, and I've lost it. I have lost it. What I decided to do was take this Lord & Berry eye pencil in Antique Bronze, because it just, and line the waterline, because it just helps sort of add a bit of darkness to the waterline there. Mascara and then lashes. So only mascara, I'm using my Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara. Absolutely love this mascara. This is a mini one that I got with a set, but it's amazing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm taking these Ardell Wispies lashes in the style 701. I've already obviously got one on my eye. I'm just going to go pop these on and I will be right back. Okay, lashes are on. What I'm going to do just to help them sort of blend in together. I'm very, very new to wearing lashes, so apologies if they don't look perfect. But I'm going to just pop a little bit of mascara through just to help them blend together. And there we have it. We have, oh, I'm stuck to my eyelash. No, I'm not. Okay. There we have it. This is our finished look for today. I really, really hope you like it. If you want to know about the products used on my skin, please just drop a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to tell you. One thing I will say though that I really, really thought really helped with this look is this Jessica Blac Glow Drops highlighting primer for the face. It's so good, and it really is, you know, why your skin does glow, and that's how I got the glowy skin, which I think with this eye look looks really good. So yeah, if you want to know any of the products, please let me know, but for now, look after yourself, my little stars, find something that makes you happy and smile today, and let's carry on sharing the loves. I'll see you next time. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I next upload. Bye!